The new trading week kicked off with the market turbulence. Risk aversion is back in the market as traders are losing hope for the positive outcome of the US-China trade talks. Therefore, the safe haven yen is trading higher, whereas the Australian dollar is declining. Last week, investors cheered news about the mutual concessions of the parties to cancel previously imposed tariffs. The new trading week started with a less positive news. At the weekend, Donald Trump announced his intention to delay the introduction of new tariffs on Chinese goods. Yet he confirmed the words of his trade advisor, Peter Navarro, that the United States did not plan to remove all the current tariffs on China's imported goods. The US dollar remained mostly unaffected by this news. Today, the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, is consolidating near 4-week highs at 98.30. The greenback benefits from the uncertainty over the US-China trade deal, which means it's likely to be trading sideways for a while. Meanwhile, versus the greenback, the yen is extending gains. The yen-dollar pair has dropped to session lows and is likely to continue falling below 109. In fact, it's declining for the second session in a row. Additionally, the pair is retreating from the 5-month highs that were recorded last week. At the same time, the US dollar is staying firm amid rising yields of US treasuries. Traders are also estimating macroeconomic data from China, where consumer inflation soared up to a 8-year high, or to the level of 3.8% in annual terms. However, the slowdown in producer prices has lowered investors' optimism. In October, the PPI index came in at minus 1.6%, which was its sharpest collapse since July 2016. The Australian dollar is trading near its weekly lows at 0.6847. It's likely to trade sideways unless more accurate news on the trade deal will appear. During the European session, the reports on the UK GDP, industrial production, trade balance and commercial investment are due. So the pound sterling is likely to be quite volatile today. The euro area will not publish any economic data. Financial markets in the United States and Canada are closed today due to the holiday. Therefore, traders will be looking for any drivers from the market. What's more, they are anticipating Fed's Rosengrens speech. We continue to keep close tabs on the market developments. Stay tuned with us.